Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechnoDBA. This channel is created for DBAs to gain the knowledge and learn to perform day-to-day activities. So in today's video, we're going to install VirtualBox on Windows Server. So we'll be downloading and installing it. Okay. So I have a link with me. So this is the link. So I'll paste this in the kind of description. You can just pick it from there and use it. Okay. Just paste it from in the browser. Okay, so there are a lot of options to download this one, so I'm just using the latest one for a Windows platform. Okay, so it will be downloaded in a couple of minutes as size is very small. Okay, you can see it's downloaded. I'll just open in a folder, then you just need to execute it again. Okay, click on S. Okay, just click on next. Just verify the location. I'm fine with this Oracle VirtualBox. Then it will ask proceed with installation now. Click on yes. So finally click on install. It will get installed. It won't take much time to install. Okay. Yep. This is done. Just click on finish. And if you want to open it, then tick mark this option. Start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation.